This is my Traxxas slash two-wheel drive. Last video I posted, I had the old body on it, and then I had the old roll cage. But now, as you can see, I have the low center of gravity conversion kit on it. It's fairly easy to set up. I have some new upper blue aluminum upper links, and then I have a red anodized aluminum bulkhead. Still have the stock A-arms, but I was still able to fit on the bumper, which is cool. Got the rear A-arms for the car, red anodized aluminum. I think they actually sent me the four-wheel drive set because or two sets of rears, but it's okay. I'll get my money back and get it back. They do have the light setup that I was able to keep, so I can get it projected over the working area and the setup area if I need to work on it at night or so. Still same stock tires and everything. Proline shocks, front shocks that I got from the LCG kit. If I do need to, or if I want to, I have 3 sets of front Proline shocks and stock ones, but I don't think I'll need them. And I actually have a new transmission case from HR Racing, and it is pretty badass. It was pretty easy to set up. I mean, just looks wise, it looks a lot better than using the big gray plastic thing. But see, all you do is, I mean, all the guts are already in there, and everything's aluminum, a lot lighter. And so what you can do is disconnect your A-arm singly instead of having to take the whole back piece off like you would. And you're able to just take a few screws, 2 screws on this side at the bottom, and just take that off if you need to adjust anything, which makes maintenance a lot easier. I just really like the look of this, and you know, it's a nice car, a lot different. It's like getting a new car. But thank you for watching the video, and I do have a rear shock tower down here somewhere, so you will see that soon, and when the front A-arms come in. And see you guys soon.